I forgot a long time ago.
You said that so wrong.
I said that so wrong. Hey, welcome back to Who's That Is There. If you were checking the points at home, can you call us and tell us what the score is? Because I forgot a long time ago.
Hey, yeah, me too.
Hey. So the next thing we're gonna play, hey, is sound effect. Hey,
Hey,
all four
hey.
corners. Hey.
Hey.
I didn't ask you to say hey.
Hey.
This is for all four performers.
Oh.
Hey.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Alright, so Seth and Dylan are going to act, and Jared and Alyssa are going to do the sound effects. Once you get that
Hey.
over there.
Over here.
Jared is going to do the sound effects
Guys, you gotta ask
for
what
Dylan.
we do. We don't
Alyssa for Seth.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You're doing the
What?
sound effects for
We
me.
did
my
this.
sound
You
effects.
try to make it do what I do.
Okay. Yeah, we'll see.
Whatever. So the scene is two firemen that
What am
are
I doing
sleeping
it
in a
for?
station when
Me.
the alarm sounds. Ready?
Say that again.
You're seeing as two firemen sleeping in a firehouse when the alarm sounds. Ready and go.
Was that you?
Oh, I think that was you.
Oh, wait. I thought that was the alarm. Didn't we get that new fart alarm? When are you the alarm? Alright, let's go. Come on, put on your clothes.
Alright. Don't. What's up with your clothes?
It's a delayed sound. Okay. Alright.
Now where do we go?
We gotta eat. Alright, let's phone it. Hello? Where's the cat?
Who's
What a cat!
Oh my god.
Hello?
All I hear is some people laughing in the background.
Hey, get out of here. Hello? Where's the fire? Nobody's speaking of Morse code.
Street.
Who? Where is the fire?
939 Raleigh Drive.
Isn't that where you live?
Who is that?
That was the radio. Let's go. Okay, go. Put on the siren. Why are you driving? Why are you driving? I'm driving. Just... Oh, okay, we're here. All right, we're here. Get out, get out, get out. You feel the air?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, I didn't have any breakfast.
Oh, okay.
Okay, here's the hose. Go out there. I guess I rolled it pretty well before we came here. I don't know what that is.
Oh, so nuts! This host is
All right,
messed up.
all right, let me turn on the water. Here you go. Get out of it.
Oh,
Come on. Control it.
All right,
Aim it at the fire. Aim it at the base. Oh, wait, I'm getting a call. Hello? Hello?
I'm here for you.
Hey, so...
Back up.
Hey,
We're coming in.
so we going out tonight?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
hey, get to work!
I'm trying. I'm just feeding the hose. You're supposed to be doing that. Oh, wait. There's somebody up there. They're trying to signal us to come down. Here, get the trampoline.
Trampoline.
Hold the trampoline. The fire's out.
It's not stopping.
Hold the trampoline.
Okay, hang on.
It's off. It's off. Hold the trampoline.
Come on down!
Boing, 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 boing.
Very springy trampoline.
Oh. Well,
Look what you caused. You,
you did this!
Put that way.
Okay,
All right.
excuse me.
Put me back together.
Put her back together. Grab her leg.
Oh my god.
I'm a scarecrow.
Other leg. Other
Back
leg.
together.
Her nose.
leg.
Get her nose.
How could you forget my nose?
All right. What else? Is everything all right?
I think so.
Okay.
Oh, pants.
Oh, pants. Yeah, you better get the pants. Okay. Here we go. Oh wait. Her hair. You have any hair on you? You have any hair on you? You have any hair on you?
That's supposed to be